Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a 3D logo. Firstly, you have to go to Google and download a crack Pixellab for download. So now when you go to Google, you download it, then you are good to go. So I already have it, so I don't need to download it, but if you want to download it, immediately you type this on Google, it will give you this, and when it brings you this, then you can click on the first icon here, which is this. When you click on it, so when you click on it, it brings you here. So this is, you go down and download the APK version, which is this. When you click on download, it will download it for you. This is where you see it brings download, but I already have it, so I don't need to download it. So now I will just cancel it. So I will go back. I have it on my desktop already, so now I will click on it so that we can use it for our tutorial. So this is it right here. So now when you click on it, it brings you here. So when you click on it, it brings you here. So we have this is the platform of the Pixellab. So now we have various options you can click on. You can click on this, that you come down here, you click on this, you can click on this too, you can click on this to give you different types of platform in order to be able to use it to design your logo. So this is it, this is it, this is it. So you can click on anyone you want to use. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use this as an example. So now if you want to maybe create a simple logo of 3D, so you can click here and you double click it. Let me take for example, when you click on this center, you double click it. When you double click it, it gives you new text. So you can write anything you want to, maybe you feel like designing. For example, maybe I want to design like experts. Maybe the name of my company is Experts New. Let's make it like this. So this is Experts New. What I will do is that Expert New, then I'll click on OK. So when I click on OK, you see it brings me Experts New. So the next step is that you come down here and click on this A. So when you click on this A, it gives you various options. You see text and quotes. When you click on this cycle box, which is down here, it gives you import. This import simply means if you have maybe a picture you want to use. For example, let me click the import. So this import is taking me to my gallery, and this is my gallery here. You can click on gallery. So these are all my pictures. So now for example, maybe I want to maybe choose a picture from here. So now I can just come here and choose any picture I want. Maybe I choose this, for example. So you just click on this mark button, which is down here. So when you click on it, so this is the picture I've chosen. So you can just play around with it. You see, you can position it anywhere you like. So when you click on the picture, it pastes the picture. You can paste the picture anywhere you like. So for example, what I will do is that I would like to tell you about the design, on how to design the Experts New, which is this that I've wrote. So now you can come down here, you can click on this. When you click on this, it gives various options from image, crop, and so on and so forth. So what we are looking for is to create our Experts New. We want to view it. We want it to be in a 3D form. So what will happen is that you see this option here, which is a 3D text. So you can click on it. When you click on the 3D text, so you enable it. You click on enable, it enable, you see. So you can come and do it like this. So the more you increase, the more it gives you the shape of 3D. So you can also increase this, you see. You can also increase this. You can take it like this. You can take it like this. depends on what you want. So you can come down again, you just scroll down, you see different options. You can also move it like this, you can move it like this. So it depends on what you want. So basically this is how you change it to 3D. So the reason why the 3D pictorial is not viewed as it is because we haven't changed the front. So now I will go back and check the front size. So this is the front here. Immediately you click, it gives you different font size. You can choose any one you like. I can decide to choose this, I can decide to choose this, I can decide to choose this. So you can choose any form of font size you want, but for the sake of this tutorial I will be choosing this. For the sake of this tutorial I will choose this, or I should choose this, anyone. So I choose this and I'll press OK. As you can see now, we've changed. This is our expert new. You see it has changed. So now we can also increase the text by just dragging this I just hold it and drag it. You see I'm increasing it. You can come here, also increase it. You see it's giving you the view of the 3D form, and this is it. So now this is basically how you can change your text to 3D. So you just play around with it. You can also come here and make a reflection. This is the reflection here. Maybe you wanted it to have a reflection. You just click on reflection and you also click on enable. Sorry. So this is it. You click on reflection. When you click on reflection, you click on enable. This is it. So when you click on enable, so it gives you the option of, you see, you can play around with this. So you can also set it to wherever you want it to be. See, this is it. So now immediately I check it and mark. You click on this mark button. Immediately it gives you the reflection you want, and this is the reflection. So you can type as many as possible you want. So let's say for example I want to add more text. You can come here and click on this text. When you click on the text, it gives you new text. You can drag it down, you can expand it as usual, you see, and you can just click on it and add text. Maybe I want to add my phone number or something. You can just say 0844567 something like that. Then you click OK. You see I have added my text. So you can make it smaller, you can make it small, you can make it big, depends on what you want. So now you can also put your number here. So now you can also play around with the number by changing the font size, which is this is the font size. You can click on fonts. When you click on the font, it gives you different font size. Then you can just choose any one you like and you press OK. You see we have basically changed the font size of the text. So now you can click and just play around with it, create many logos as you want. So now maybe I want to curve it, I want to make a curve or something. You come here and click on this curve button. When you click on the curve button, it brings you here and you can curve it like this, you can stretch it, you can do anything like, see, this is just basically how you can play around with it. So this application is very easy to use for 3D logos. So this is it. So now I can just decide to leave it like this. Then I click on the mark button. So when you click on the mark button, it will be like that. So you can just basically play around with it. This shoe, you can decide to put it here. You can also decide to change the font size of the shoe, or you can just play around with it. This is the font size, this is the 3D size. You can enable it, increase it. You see. So I can decide to leave the shoe like this if that's what you want. So you can come down and see various options. You see You can decide to leave the shoe like this if you want to darken it, if you want to rotate it, if you want to, anything you want, it's there for you. So this is it here. See, so you can put it here and you click on OK. So when you click on OK, it's when you mark it like this, so it changes automatically. So this is basically how you can use a Pixellab to create a 3D logo. So you can play around with it and it's very easy to use. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.